Could you tell us what manufacturing is, Harvey?
Manufacturing is gathering raw materials together and basically conjoining all them materials in a certain process, and then you make something bigger than that.
Tell us about some of the steps that are involved in that process, please.
Well, first off, you'd have nothing, so you'd be starting from scratch, and then you'd have to produce the products that you're making, and then once all the steps through production have been completed, it would then get quality checked, and then it'll get sent to or placed into a finishing or like some sort of aftercare, so to speak. So that's where they do all the repairs from the quality checks and everything, and then once it's given a final quality check, it'll then get ready to ship.
And what does an average day at work look like for you?
I'm normally here by about 5:30. I'll come in, wake up a bit, and then clock in at 6 and go to the there's a big kind of board, and it's got everyone's names and everyone's lists and daily priorities.
So what do you love about your job? What's great about it?
I'd say the people, and I'm just always busy.
Could you tell us a little bit more about exactly what an apprenticeship is?
An apprenticeship is a paid qualification, so it's just like going to college.
Are you working towards maths and English as part of your qualifications as well?
No, I'm not. I passed my maths and English. I think that's a good thing about apprenticeships is you don't always have to. I think if you don't pass your exams and you still want to go for an apprenticeship, you can still do that, and you can do your maths and English while still working.
And you found out about the apprenticeship at Leeds Apprenticeship Fair.
Yeah.
Could you talk us through a little bit about what the recruitment process was like from then?
I didn't actually pursue it straight away. It was actually my mum. She spoke to me. She was like, I know you're not enjoying college, but why don't you have a look at this? And we had a whole booklet of stuff from the apprenticeship fair. So we both looked through it and found MPM. And then I couldn't find a application, but you could go onto the website. I think it's MPM Bradford. .co.uk, and then where the contact us is, I just sent them an email, and it were saying I'm really interested in your company and looking for an apprenticeship. They just got back to me with an interview date.
And how was the interview?
Yeah, it was good. I got brought in here where I am now. 3 employers were just asking me questions, and then after that they took me for a tour around the workshop.
Where do you see yourself in the future, Harvey?
I see myself just growing more confident and just getting a further advantage to life, to older life and adulthood. It kind of grows you up in a way, but then I still know that I've got loads more to learn, so I'm just kind of looking forward to that and working myself up.
What makes you happy at work?
I know it's a cringy word, but the vibe and the atmosphere of the factory. Like anywhere you go, if you treat everyone with respect and you're nice and you're always like a good person to be around, you'll always get the same back. So it's never a bad environment.